Okay, so I found a problem with this print that, this model that I'm trying to slice to be able to print, and found some issues that came up. So, real quickly in Simplify 3D, we will go to Prepare to Print. And so what ended up happening is I ended up printing this without actually looking at it because it was way over here. It looks blue enough. Didn't really notice these lines, but in the print it came out. So these lines are actually, if we go down and go, so that we'll go to the green. It's a gap filled solid layer, whatever. Yeah. So for whatever reason, it wasn't liking what was going on here. Probably has more to do with the overhangs or whatever issues it decides for the algorithm that's putting this thing together. But it came up with, I was getting some weird errors with this. Anyway, so as you can see, it comes up again. And this yellow one comes up. So the yellow one is a bridge. So not only is it doing that, putting a gap fill in there, it's also putting a bridge in there, which was annoying, but I figured if anyone ran into this issue, for a relatively simple model that we're going to print, I thought it would come out, and it didn't. And so, anyways, we'll go back, and I'm going to have to exit, and we'll go and we'll remove this. Okay, so what I ended up doing to fix this, which will be the better part, import. I'm importing another model. It's actually the same model. It's just slightly different. I had to adjust the size and everything, which will be in another video. But for now, so what I ended up doing was, hey, you know what? I'm going to print it just like it is. So all I did was come in here and from build plate only, or platform, or whatever they want to call it, generate the supports. So as you can see, not a lot of supports. These in Simplify 3D, it actually goes pretty quickly and pretty good. Normally, I actually put a twist on these, so I'll have I'll take the model and I'll kind of make it crooked. But that's mainly for higher detailed models that kind of need that extra detail. It has a tendency to hide some of the lines, but that'll be a video for another day. Anyways, we'll go to Prepare to Print, and I'll show you exactly what I was talking about. Hey, there's no more lines, no more weirdness. And this is actually, as I'm making this video, currently printing. So just a small tip on how to fix a weird issue that will come up every once in a while on your prints. So with that, hope you enjoyed, and I am going to leave it at that, and bye.